All right, so the art of GE negotiations. So I was saying that I use a pattern, and I'm about to show you that pattern. This is in level 1 GE. This actually is, let's take a look. 4, 8, 12. All right. So this is a little deeper in, but it is a 5 good negotiation. Now, it's very important. You use your gold into your supply as much as you possibly can to save on your goods. So when I'm doing this pattern, a lot of it's for speed, because normally I would have my boost on for 4 turns, but I'm not going to do that for this little demonstration. I always start by mixing in the same pattern. I start with the gold, then a good. Supply, then a good, and then the remaining good, right? Now, these two didn't turn up with any goods, okay, which is awesome because we eliminated both the supply and the rope. So, let's see what's left. We know it's not gold, all right? We've got the most brick, so let's try brick. Now, we're trying to save goods, right? So I'm going to load these with gold because we know one of them's gold. Let's try to whittle it down. All right. Now, here we go. Wrong person. So we know that this one's brick. Now we got lucky and there's only one good left that it could possibly be. But, as you can see, we whittled it down pretty quick. Now I'll do another one on my daughter's account real quick. If you're using an iPhone or using a phone, this goes a whole lot faster. Let's see. Alright, so this one's going to be a little bit tougher. Alright, so now we have 6 goods. So the same principle applies. We want to use the least amount that we possibly can. So I'm still going to start with the gold, brick, supply, herb, salt. Now yes, rope did not get used, but that's alright. Because when we have, here we go. So it's incorrect. Now we're going to bring out rope. We'll try brick since we have a lot of, or actually let's go with gold. We got to work this out. We know gold goes somewhere, so the more goods that we can get off the board here, the better, so we can narrow it down. Alright, now notice the pattern. See the diagonal pattern? So now I'll use salt here. I'll use gold here. And this one, well, we know it's not salt. We know it's not gold, so it's got to be brick, right? Solve the encounter. I continue to do this completely through level 4. The more goods are in there, you know, it's same principle. Now we're back to 5. Now you notice it goes pretty quick because I have that set pattern that I like to use. You know, when you're working on a 15-minute boost, it's very important. All right, here's an awesome scenario right here. We know that this one's gold, right? But look at how many that we still have available. The goal here is to get it shut down before we have to spend diamonds, right? So if we know this is gold, let's go ahead and burn a turn, all right? Let's try 2 things that we're pretty sure it's not. All right, hey, we got lucky. We also know this one's gold. So, continue on like that. There's a lot of times you're going to come across instances where it's all right to burn a turn. You've got extra turns. Do what you have to do in order to get those extra goods off the board and it narrowed down. Now I'm still using only 3 turns here. So, pretty neat. Alright, I think this will be the last one I'm going to do today. Alright, so we know. Notice I'm still using the pattern. Now we've got 2 that we know it's not. So we know that that one's herb. Now notice the pattern when it comes over here, I wrap it around. And this, it takes quite a while. I mean, I've been playing for 2 years with Blood Oath for over a year now. And it just, once you do it in the pattern, it just becomes super fast in order to do it. So good stuff. Hopefully this helps somebody, anybody.